Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Abdullah and I'm glad to be a part of this educational program. So I've learned many things for the past 2 days. For example, needs versus wants, good loans, bad loans, and other financial things that will be useful in our daily lives. So I hope you would have a lot of fun as I had in this event. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Umair. In these last 2 days, I am glad that I attended the program, which helped me. How can I balance money? How can I budget? How can I use it in my daily life? How can I enhance my financial experience? And thank you, Dubai Islamic Bank, for sponsoring this event.
Hi, I'm Mazin Sharif. Last 2 days we had a lot of information about money and business. The most thing that attracted me was the positive and negative thinking about money. You need to think positively about money, because if you think negatively you go backwards, you will not go forward. And I'm so thankful to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this program.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Fadil. In the last few days I learned how I can save my money and enhance my financial experience. Thank you, Dubai Islamic Bank, for helping us learn about this.